Hello everyone, welcome back to FarmerLewis. This is my garden, and today I pral montrer nou how to prune your pumpkin. I pral montrer nou kijan pou nou netwaye on pied joumou pou l'kaba nou pi bel joumou. Branche li bien en bonne santé, healthy. And li rete vet, and le lap voye fleur pour bien voye fleur. And the trick to it is to I'm going to show you that all the tricks to do that today. Okay, first pruning it, remove all the leaves from the main root. And the next thing that I always like to do is mette terre en bali, put more dirt, more ground under the root. All these are things to help your pumpkin grow better, bigger, and healthier. Okay, alright, mes amis, c'est j'aime di nou pour nous faire ça. Mettez terre en bali, retirez zeb yo, pour nous faire pi bien, ba nou pi bel joumou. So, j'en pour nous faire li. Retire tout ti zeb yo en bali, retire yo. Ça là m'te kon épina là, so I'm just retire branche épina yo en bal. So right here, where you're seeing is this is the roots that really to go on the ground. So just remove the prune, cut the leaves. Here's another one right here. Cut off the leaves, don't cut off the roots, because you're gonna need it to make the process work. So this is how I do it in my garden. I know everybody have their own method, so this is my method. After you cut, you remove the leaves, so you're gonna bury the vines so the roots could actually keep going. So the process gonna keep on continue right there. So you bury it, put some dirt on top of it, mette tessouli, and tout jaden, tout pied joumou, c'est comme si c'est enèji la prale aller dans terre. La prale dans terre, okay? Right here, got these lower leaves, I need to remove them. So I'm gonna just cut them up so that the roots, the main roots of the plant could actually take more suns, more oxygen coming to it, because those leaves is pretty much blocking all of that, most of that from coming to it, and it's wasting its energies and just on leaves, not the actual root. We don't want leaves, we want more roots and vines, and also, and we got better flow of oxygen. And do this, you don't have to throw them away. You could just leave them on the side and put them on your compost, so that you could always have stuff for your gardening. Yeah, so add more soil, you could cover the vines, doesn't really matter. So there we go. All right.